we're trying to postpone it. It's still being held, but we need to raise our issues, which is very important because of our coastal belt. I belong to Talegaon, and our villages like Aivao, Hawaii, Onshell are getting affected due to this. The whole coastal mapping which has been done, because the port limits is showing right up to the governor's house, so there are a lot of houses which have not been marked, plus people have their boats which have not been marked, even people have their small boat houses, people have their own houses, and that has not been marked on the map. So we want to actually inform the main officials, saying that you all have not shown any demarcation, plus also you've shown the coastal belt as it will go into port limits. So a lot of our fishermen are dependent on fishing for for their produce, for their stomach. So in case if it goes into MPT's hands and it goes into port limits hands, so will our fishermen be banned, and will they be given a small portion, or will they be given the whole area to fish? So that is nothing that has been disclosed of. So the fishermen of our area also are very scared as to what the future plans are. So we are here as representatives of our people to speak on behalf of the fishermen, saying that we need to protect it not only for now but generations to come, because we have youngsters, because of the lockdown, who have taken up fishing. So is this going to be a short time process for them, or it's going to be a long career for them, is what we need to see now, and voice up as much as we can to save our Goa.